Welcome to Provenance, one of Northbrook's newest and most desirable developments. What if you could live in a place where luxury, community, and modern design come together perfectly? From beautifully crafted homes by red steel builders to a peaceful park and scenic walking trails, this neighborhood offers everything you need for elevated living. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of my newest listings, 3715 Provenance Way in Northbrook, Illinois. Let's step inside and take a look. The open floor plan is perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Here in the heart of the home, the kitchen features a massive quartz island, perfect for gathering, prepping meals, or casual dining. Just off the main living area, you'll find a sunny deck, ideal for relaxing or entertaining outdoors. Now, let's head upstairs. Explore the primary suite, a true retreat. You'll love not one, but two walk-in closets, with plenty of room for everything. Luxurious ensuite bathroom is designed to impress. The second level is complete with two more big bedrooms, a hall bath, and a convenient second-floor laundry room. Finished lower level provides a giant rec room perfect for movie nights, plus another full bathroom and a dry bar. Inside, from the elegant interiors to the inviting community spaces, 3715 Provenance Way, all in the top-rated District 31 and Glenbrook North High School, which is home of the Spartans. If you'd like more information on this home or more listings here in Northbrook, please be sure to reach out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive home tours.